Hey YouTube, guess what? It is my 6 month lock anniversary. So I wanted to come show you guys my locks and give you guys a little bit of an update for what's been going on these past 6 months. So let's do a spin so you can see the back. All right, so that is the hair. So let's get up to date on what's been going on. I have been still doing my reties at every 5 weeks or so, give or take. Unless there was some exigent circumstances, which there has been this past time. So I was supposed to get my hair retied last week, but I was traveling out of town and so I couldn't get it done. So we have postponed it until next week. But now that the Rona has hit and we're on a coronacation, I don't think I'm going to be going to get my hair retied next week just for safety matters because at the end of the day, my hair can be restarted or relocked all again, retied, whatever. But I can't, I have to, keep my health in mind and my sister loctician's health in mind as well. So I think I'm going to end up canceling that appointment. What products am I currently using? So I still do use my hair mister with water in it, and that's my main thing that I use. And I don't even use that a lot. The reason why is because a lot of time I get my moisture because I shower without a shower cap. And I don't like let my hair get under it, but I just kind of let the steam get into it. And then when I get out, I just kind of crunch the moisture into it. And occasionally on wash days, I will use rose water after my shampoo. So I will use a little rose water. I don't know why. It just makes me feel like, I don't know. Shampoo. I am no longer using the Sisterlocks starter shampoo. I did finish the bottle, but once I finished that, I started using Shea Moisture Strengthen and Restore shampoo, and I actually ran out of that. And so I was like, I was a former product junkie. I was like, okay, I'm going to use my main choice shampoo. And my locks were like, no, you're not. You're not going to use that. So it didn't turn out too well at the end. I still had I didn't feel like it got the cleanest after I washed it multiple times. I rinsed it a million times. I still have product left up in my hair, which I'm not going to zoom in so you guys can see, but I did have Amazon ship me some shampoo because I was like, I can't go to the store and get any, but I will have some shipped to me. So that is what I did. So that is the shampoo that I'm using. I'm not using any conditioner. Internally, what am I doing for hair growth? I am using my collagen still. I actually need to re-up on my biotin and add that back into the program, but I ran out of it, so I just haven't reordered it, but I need to reorder it. I'm also started taking a CMOS gel. My sister found this lady on Instagram, and she started using it, and I had a CMOS that I had tincture that I had ordered from Amazon, but it was rough tasting, and they try to put fruit flavoring on top of it. That's still in my refrigerator. And I used it a few days, but I just couldn't stomach it. But the CMOS that I'm currently using, it is no taste at all. I just mix it into my hot coffee or hot tea in the mornings, and I throw my collagen in the cup as well, and I'm getting my vitamins in that way. I'm also taking a prenatal vitamin as well. Styling. Okay, usually I do a middle part or my side part. Today is my first time ever doing this side because I've just never been a this side kind of girl, but we can do that because we got all kind of grids going on here, so we can do that. What else am I doing? Oh, this is a braid out as well. I have been liking my braid outs on shampoo days, so I don't braid and band. I know I'm horrible. Don't do like I do. Don't do like I do. I don't braid and band, but I do shampoo it, rinse it out really good, and then I braid it for a twist out. I know, kind of backwards, but I like the crinkly look that it gives me. And I don't like braiding and bending because I don't feel like I can really get in and shampoo it as good as I want to, rinse it out as good as I want to with it being in the braids. So that's why I don't braid and bend. Issues. Have I had any issues? I did. I did have some unraveling, especially around my hairline. Surprisingly, none on my nape, where my nape is like the loosest curl pattern, but she's hanging in there. And so just a little bit of unraveling. She didn't mention anything about bunching, so I don't think I've had any bunching issues. And those are pretty much the issues I've had. Just the color of my hair just makes my hair look so dry because I'm like a number two, number four, something. I don't even remember. 1B2. So my hair is not like a jet black, and so it looks extra dry on top of the fact that it probably is dry. So it's not really an issue, but you know, it is what it is. So, vacation. I went on vacation with the honey. And so we went on a cruise and it was the best. Usually before a vacation, I have to go get a sew-in or some braids or something like that. But this time I just had my retied on my normal schedule and I was off on vacation. Yes! Vacation was so simple. It was just like wake up in the morning, shower, do what you do, and then you get dressed and go on about your day. There's nothing special you had to do, nothing to prepare. You know, the most preparation I do was bring my satin pillowcase and I put that on the bed with me. So I love it. I love my hair. Overall, I am still loving it. 6 months in, I've got a lifetime to go. I haven't done much styling with it. I'm actually loving this length and just wearing it as it is. When it does get a little bit longer, I will do some more styles. And I think that's probably all the things that you guys want to know. So, oh, the earring of the day, Melanin Goddess. I may be holding it wrong. So, here's the other way. I don't know which way is the right way for the camera. I'm sorry. But if you guys have any questions about my journey, let me know down below. Leave a comment down below and I'll do my best to answer any questions that you may leave. And I'm like doing these videos because I'm able to see how your hair is transitioning from month to month. And actually, I haven't even looked back at any of them, but so a couple of ladies have commented on my videos like, "Oh my gosh, your hair has changed so dramatically from your install journey video," and I just hadn't looked to even realize it. But it just on a day-to-day, you don't really see it. I think I do see it getting more like fuller and stuff, but beyond that, I don't really see it. So I probably have to go back to video 1 and look versus today, 6 months, and see how it goes. But for now, I'm loving the journey, and I hope you guys will leave a comment down below if you have any questions for me. Thank you for watching my video. Of all the videos you could be watching in the world today, you're here with me, and for that, I'm extremely grateful. So thank you, thank you, thank you. If you like this video and the content that I'm providing, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And don't forget to get notified when your girl drops another video. So hit the notification bell so you can get notified. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys have a great day.